Well, we're back again at East Ruston Old Vicarage garden. Some of the structures here that have been put in to frame the gardens that surround them really add to the overall impact. And isn't this a fantastic approach to this very substantial water feature dominating this sunken garden? Spectacular. Let's go and have a closer look. Yellow flag irises coming out of this static pool feature. Leaded edge, plenty of seating, water lilies already coming into flower. Absolute magnet for those little bugs. This is a very lush tropical planting filling this area. Mainly leaf, acers forming the exit pathway guide, and above them really hard pruned and shaped. I'm not sure what those trees are, but again, big tropical leaf coming out on the top. Absolutely massive specimens. And to my side, the noise from this continuous tall sculpture fountain, again filling the garden. Looking back towards that pagoda where we started to walk through into this area, covered in a vine, still just emerging in late spring. Frond palm trees and these bamboos again add to the feeling of this tropical jungle-like feeling. Just look at the size of these bamboo canes. Huge, great big things above my head, probably growing up to around 30 feet, and some of the shoots emerging in new growth. Just look at the width on that. Huge, great big thing. Probably been here many years. And then back out into the English traditional rowan in front of me. Beach hedging and lawns, a completely different feel in the space of just a few feet.